In this video, you'll learn how to track emails with Salesflare, a powerful CRM that integrates email tracking seamlessly into your daily workflow. By the end, you'll understand how this feature can make your email outreach smarter and more efficient. Stick around because I'll also share how you can try Salesflare for free with exclusive bonuses, so don't miss out. Salesflare makes email tracking incredibly easy, giving you visibility into how your emails are performing in real time. You can see when someone opens your email, clicks on links inside it, and even how many times they've opened it. This helps you make more informed decisions about when and how to follow up, and ultimately improve your sales conversion rates. Getting started with email tracking in Salesflare is simple. First, make sure you've connected your email account to the platform. Once that's done, you can start sending emails directly from Salesflare or sync it with your regular email client like Gmail or Outlook. When composing an email, you'll see a small icon indicating that the tracking feature is enabled. After you send an email, Salesflare will automatically track its activity. You'll get real-time notifications when your email is opened, giving you valuable insights into your lead's interest. The best part is, you don't have to worry about manually checking every email. Salesflare automatically logs all these interactions for you in the CRM. You'll also notice Salesflare's automatic tracking of links. If you include links in your email, Salesflare will show you exactly which ones were clicked and how many times. This helps you understand what your leads are most interested in, so you can tailor your follow-up emails accordingly. One of the standout features of Salesflare's email tracking is the timeline. Each contact in your CRM has a timeline that logs every email interaction, so you can always see when someone opened your email, clicked a link, or even unsubscribed. It helps keep all your communication organized in one place, making follow-ups and relationship management a breeze. Another cool feature is the reply detection in Salesflare. When someone replies to your email, you'll get a notification immediately. This ensures that you never miss a response and can act on it quickly. If you're managing multiple deals or leads, Salesflare helps you automate some of these tracking tasks. You can set up automated reminders or actions based on email interactions. For example, if a lead hasn't opened your email in a few days, you can set Salesflare to remind you to follow up or even send a follow-up email automatically. Salesflare also gives you the ability to track your email's performance over time. The analytics dashboard provides insights into metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and response times. This data helps you refine your email outreach strategy and boost your overall productivity. To top it off, Salesflare's email tracking integrates with their smart CRM features. You don't have to worry about missing important details because everything from emails to meetings, calls, and tasks are synchronized in one platform. This makes it much easier to manage your customer relationships and sales pipeline without juggling multiple tools. Now, before we wrap up, here's the best part. You can start using Salesflare completely free by signing up through the first link below. Not only will you get a free trial, but you'll also get exclusive bonuses that are only available to our viewers. If you want to streamline your email outreach and take your CRM to the next level, this is the perfect opportunity. If you found this helpful, don't forget that you can start using Salesflare's email tracking features right away with an extended free trial and some additional perks. Take full advantage of this offer while it lasts. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.